in Bihar and in our studios. The counting of votes is underway for all the 243 assembly seats in Bihar amid tight security. Trends available so far indicate that the NDA is heading towards a landslide victory in the state assembly polls. Mahagathbandhan seems to be performing rather poorly, should we say. Tejashwi Yadav, the chief ministerial face of the Mahagathbandhan, is now trending and trailing in his family bastion, Raghopur. In the past, RJD founder Lalu Prasad Yadav and his wife Rabri Devi have held the seat. Tejashwi has been representing the seat since the year 2015. In the 2020 polls, he won the seat by a margin of over 38,000 votes, as it were. Now, Prashant Kishore's Jan Suraj party has also fielded a candidate in Raghopur. Celebrations have begun. There you have it, celebrations. Crackers will be burst, I think, with some kind of caution, and also sweets are being made and laid out on the table for everybody to come and savor the taste of success, as it were. The AIMIM is leading in 5 seats, including Kochadam and also in Kishanganj districts, and Amor and Baisi in Purnia, all of which are constituency it had won in the year 2020. The two-phase poll saw high voter turnout and intense campaigning also from all the major political parties and alliances, making this one of the most fiercely contested elections ever. We have our guests, of course, we have a senior journalist and author Smita in our studio, and also we have K.V. Prasad and Manish Barer, who's the spokesperson for the BJP, is joining us, and Avani Bansal, spokesperson for the Congress, is also with us, and also Brijesh Pandey, who's the input editor, who is going to be joining us in a little bit, considering he's had a long run today, much like Mr. K.V. Prasad and also Smita Mishra in the studio right from the morning. So let's deep dive into what is Bihar looking like going forward. It's now over. The game is over. The results are out. But what does the future really hold for Bihar? Thank you so much, Smita. Thank you, Mr. Prasad. Like I said, right, you joined us right in the morning. But Smita, has it been worth its while? I mean, we are all quintessential journalists, but of course we have our own kind of analysis. But Smita, I've been listening to you, and Mr. Prasad, you too. Smita, you've been very, very clear that what are people, I keep hearing this again and again when you say, what are people talking about? So how has Bihar spoken, Smita?
So I don't think there is any suspense left at all. I think the only question that still remains to be seen is whether the NDA will cross 206, which was their highest mark, the highest benchmark in 2010, which was another watershed election. As of now, the NDA is touching 200. So let's see if it goes across 206 or if it stays below that. In either case, they have swept the polls. It's a landslide. It's touching 3/4 majority. And yes, certain things were very clear. The one thing that was clear during the campaign itself, even before the first phase of voting, and we've had a very interesting conversation already, Sudha Sadanand, on this. And the fact was that people were weighing their pros and cons, because there were very interesting and very good issues being raised by the opposition. But at the same time, the incumbent government, the NDA leaders, were also listing the things they have done, and every time contrasting it with the Lalu Rabri regime and how things have changed in the past 4 terms. And I think, yes, I mean, it's not very difficult, in the end, it's always very simple. We tend to make it complex. In the end, the people of Bihar, we've discussed a lot about the women, but the vote result is actually combining women, men, everyone.
I want to say something here, Smita. I was having conversation with my colleagues outside. I said, Indian food, works in combinations. It's like litti chokha, chole bhature,
Yes.
dosa sambar, it's dal bati churma. It's always a combo which is very attractive. It's never a single dish. So when I say that,
just rice, you
you
cannot
can't.
have just roti.
You
cannot
need to
have
have
a
it.
plain
So I
dosa.
think
It is a combo
it's
of
a combo,
flavors.
and I think for me the heft of the BJP and the localized flavor of Nitish Babu, who has cut across caste, age, and every possible income
And
group.
Nitish Kumar's ability to understand what the Bihar voter wants.
Absolutely.
So
Today,
yes,
yeah.
it is a combination of issues. What I am, what makes me a little sad is the fact that now when the elections are totally clear, the opposition has decided to go into denial rather than discussing why after 4 terms, after 20 years, they are unable to break the popularity of Nitish Kumar and the NDA. There must be something on which the voters finally decide to go for that combination, the tried and tested combination, instead of giving a chance to the challenger. There is certainly a question of trust. In the end, because I know, I traveled through Bihar and there were a lot of issues raised by Tejasvi Yadav, Prashant Kishore and these people, which were being discussed. It was very much in the
sounded
chatter.
very, Smita, it sounded
But finally
very relevant.
people didn't go for it, which
Yeah.
means they decided that, okay, these issues are also relevant, but for the moment, this option is the better option.
Right. Okay, I'll come back to you there. And, Mr. Prasad, thank you for your patience. My colleague Sabashachi has this news report, and then we get back to the debate.
The JDU party office and the celebrations have begun. Large number of party workers have gathered in front of the office, and with the counting of votes in the Bihar Assembly election 2025 underway, the ruling NDA have crossed the majority mark in leads in early trends, and the alliance led by the BJP and JDU looks set to form the government again. And the Mahagathbandhan, which includes the Congress and the RJD, is a distant second. Meanwhile, you can see that people are celebrating, and on the other hand, let me show you the visuals, that sweets are being distributed as well in front of the party office to the party workers as well as whoever is coming at the JDU party office in Bihar. Sweets are being distributed. You can see there are crackers also. The JDU is all set to celebrate this victory, and Nitish Kumar is all set to become the chief minister again. Sir, क्या कहेंगे कि इस जीत पे?
एग्जिट पोल में प्रचंड बहुमत दिखा रहा है। नेता नीतीश कुमार जी का जीत है। सब लोग खुशी से
एग्जिट पोल से तो रुझान आ गए सर, वोट रुझान में भी आगे
रुझान में भी आगे हैं और रिचुअल में भी आगे हैं। नेता नीतीश कुमार बिहार के 12.5 करोड़ आवाम को जिस प्रकार के सामाजिक न्याय के साथ विकास, महिलाओं का विकास, बेटा बेटियों का विकास, मजदूर किसानों का विकास किया है, उनकी कोई बराबरी नहीं।
ये कितने किलोमीटर?
25 किलो बट गया।
125
बटेगा, अभी 2.5 क्विंटल मिठाई है।
टोटल 2.5
बटना हाँ सब लोग के लिए बटेगा।
So there you go, that 1.5 quintal of sweets have been brought in, and huge posters of Nitish Kumar has been put across in front of the party office. Surakshit hai Bihar, kyunki saath hai Nitish Kumar. Now, on the other hand, also huge cutout posters of Nitish Kumar along with Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been put across, and the famous poster from morning, which is continuously trending, is Tiger Abhi Zinda Hai, with the picture of Nitish Kumar. So the party workers are on ground in large numbers celebrating the victory of Nitish Kumar and JDU and the NDA government, which is all set to once again form their government in the state of Bihar.